Rosewill RCR-IC001 USB 2.0 3.5-inch internal card reader with USB port / extra silver faceplate. RCR-. Supports high-speed USB 2.0 easy plug-and-play and hot swapping for dynamic insert and / remove from 4 memory card slots. Internal memory card reader for 3.5 bay operating system support. Vista / Win XP / 2000 /Me / Windows 7 supports high-speed USB 2.0 with black and silver faceplate. Style. RCR-IC001 No more hassle with that external card reader and its tangled cord. The Rosewill RCR-IC001 fits into a 3.5 drive bay on your desktop computer and provides you an extra USB 2.0 port right on the front. This 4-slot reader reads CFCS, PCMMC, CSMC and Sony Miss Media. Included interchangeable black and silver bezels ensure that the reader blends seamlessly into your computer case. Reading your flash media has never been so convenient. The Rosewill RCR-IC001 card reader provides an This is a decent item. For a 5.25 device with 2 USB 3.0 ports it works well. You will however need a spare USB 3.0C, USB 2.0C SATA and Molex to use this item fully. Don't have all of them, it's okay, you will just lose whatever is connected to that particular port. Construction is thin gauge steel with a thick brushed aluminum front plate. Has 3 sets of mounting holes for standard 5.25 drives on each side. This is only half depth, so riskless case users it works great in my case despite the bracket only being in 1 set of holes, but if you have issues with half depth devices reconsider. Internally the USB 3.0 device is really just a direct cable from the motherboard screwed to the